How to manage when viewing unread messages on the mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage when viewing unread messages on the mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here, and now click this one, chat, and now go down, and here you will find this one here, when viewing unread messages in a channel, and then just select here anything you want. Start at first unread or start at last. Select anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.